If we have the expression 3 minus open parentheses, 16 divided by 4 times 2 closed parentheses and multiplied by 2 cubed, then what is the correct answer of this question? Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression inside the parentheses and assume they have the division between 16 and 4. So instead of this expression, they write 3 minus open parentheses, 4 times 2 closed parentheses, and multiplied by 2 cubed. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 4 and 2 and write this expression as 3 8 times 2 cubed. Then they go for the subtraction between 3 and 8, and instead of this expression, they write minus 5 times 2 cubed. In the final step, they go to the exponent, and instead of this expression, they write minus 5 times 8, which finally gives them the answer minus 40. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people, when solving this question again, go straight to the expression inside the parentheses, but this time they start with the multiplication between 4 and 2 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So instead of this expression, they write 3 minus open parentheses, 16 divided by 8 closed parentheses and multiplied by 2 cubed. Then they go for the division between 16 and 8, and instead of this expression, they write 3 minus 2 times 2 cubed. In the next step, they go for the exponent, and instead of this expression, they write 3 minus 2 multiplied by 8. And the final step, they go for the multiplication between 2 and 8, because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So they rewrite this equation as 3 minus 16, which finally gives them the answer minus 13. But that's definitely wrong. All right. Now, let me explain it step by step how to solve this equation properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. As you can see on the screen in this equation, first we have a subtraction sign, then parentheses followed by a multiplication sign, and finally exponent. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we go for the expression inside the parentheses because P or parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. And inside the parentheses, we have one division sign followed by a multiplication sign. It's very important to remember that multiplication and division are at the same level of precedence, and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So first we go for the division between 16 and 4, and instead of this equation, we can write 3 minus open parentheses 4 times 2 close parentheses and multiplied by 2 cubed. In the next step, we go for the multiplication between 4 and 2. I'll write this equation as 3 8 multiplied by 2 cubed. Then we go for the exponent, because in the PEMDAS rule, after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So instead of this expression, we can write 3 minus 8 multiplied by 8. In the final step, we go for the multiplication between 8 and 8, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So instead of this expression, we can write 3 minus 64. Which finally gives us the answer minus 61.